Hi, I'm Dr. Robert Moore with Michigan Regenerative Specialist, and I want to educate you today on how your body actually heals. Let's say, for instance, I fell down and I hurt my knee. Well, there would be swelling involved, and that swelling through cytokines stimulates my stem cells in my body, and it turns on my own innate ability to heal. It sparks that innate healing ability. And so what happens is the cells that were dying or injured, we get rid of those and we stop that apoptosis, the cellular death. We actually stimulate the body to make more muscles, more bones, more fat, more cartilage in the joint, and to rebuild the joint and also to rebuild my stem cells. So the whole objective of inflammation is it stimulates your stem cells to spark your innate ability to heal. Well, let's go the other way. Let's say, for instance, I do this and I take a painkiller, or I take an anti-inflammatory. That stops this process. I no longer am aware that I need to heal, and so everything is turned off. And so I stop the healing process right there. And that's why people have long-term chronic problems where they're like, oh, I just take a painkiller every once in a while, or I take an anti-inflammatory, or I do something to get rid of this inflammation. The inflammation is actually very important in the healing process. You don't want a lot of inflammation. Chronic inflammation, especially systemic, isn't very good. But in a case like this is a good thing. And so in our office, after you get your regenerative medicine injection, as we're doing the functional care, we ask you to go out and do stuff. We don't ask you to fall down, but do stuff and stimulate a little inflammation in the joint. Get it healing, stimulate that healing process. That's how you're going to heal. You have to spark that innate ability to heal. When you block it, you don't heal. And that's why people have problems for so long. I'm Dr. Robert Moore with Michigan Regenerative Specialists. I hope this helped you out. You can call our office directly, 810-775-9706. Have a blessed day. Thank you.